Never mind, she's back to being muted.
I'm kidding, I just sound kidding.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so
I have 35 to 100.
here we fucking go.
That one was low-key harder than
Extra
35 to
is on
0.
you, ooh, you're so warm.
It's not true.
Couldn't help but notice your
It
book
literally-
from across the floor. Noses are nicky, wakey till they were till they hee hee. Unzips so baggy, his pants are baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this first shit. He don't see it coming.
Okay, bro, finally. I finally beat it.
Beat what?
Misfire?
Beat Misfire?
Yeah.
What the hell?